Hi, I'm going to show you today just how easy it is to put mini blinds up in this window here. This is my window that needs to be covered. These are, I don't want it quite that dark. I just want to block the sun or anybody seeing me. The reason why I have these shears up is because cats like to look out the windows and they also like the mini blinds. Yeah, this guy right here. Right, Fred? No, he didn't do it, Mommy. That's what he says. Yeah, he's put quite a few puncture holes in some mini blinds. Where's the other one? Yeah, he's usually on the bed. He took off. Um, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna use these Walmart mini blinds, and it's really not that difficult. I see how I'm gonna mount it. See how where the old blinds were? They're very old. They're yellow. That's all you do is you. Well, they're not like that anymore. They're not like the boxes anymore. But you need something to either on the top underside or on the front side or on the inside to be able to mount it. There's all the hardware to hang with. Here's the blinds. Check them out. Make sure they're the color you want. I wanted white. Make sure they will fit your window. Yep, that works. Here in the front is a hole. That is the front of the mini blinds. That's where your wand will stick in. You push the wand in like that. And there's your wand. Open up your package. And in it, you have these brackets that are shaped like this. Mount it. I'm mounting mine upwards. So this will be the top inside my frame. And this is the profile I'll end up with. And the mini blinds go click, and this holds it. Show you the profile of the mini blinds. This is mounted in the ceiling part. Actually, you go like this. While it's in the ceiling, you put this part in first. See how there's a lined groove there? See that lined groove? So you put this part in, and then you go push. And then that bottom part clicks in. I'm not going to do it right now. That bottom part clicks in and then holds the blind. That's how it works. The nice thing about these, unlike the box ones you had to get right at each end of the mini blind. These, you just want to make sure you don't get in the path of the working. So put it somewhere around here and somewhere around here, and that will hold it. And this one has a middle one too. So you just want to avoid the actual working pieces. And that's how you figure it out where in the top you're going to place your brackets. I'm just going to take a screw and kind of leave a scratch mark because I don't feel like going to get a pencil. I'll put one here. I'll put one here. Some brands, when you go to mount this, come with like a clear sticky piece, and you pull the tab off so you can just stick it up under here and it stays still while you holds that location so you can get your screw and, you know, put it in easily. But this is okay. Thank goodness for power tools. Overhead, this is a nuisance. If you have a lot of trouble at first getting it in there, go ahead and mark it where the screw's supposed to go. Screw it up just a little and then take it out. It's kind of like pre-drilling. Oh. See, I can adjust backward and forward. I want the back of my bracket to be in line with this part. And then everything will be the same. It comes where you can put 2 screws in. Okay, they're up. I only put one in the middle one, and I put 2 screws on the end ones. This is the front of the blind. Remember what I said, you put that front piece in the groove first and then push in. I'll give you a bottom view while I do it. Front piece is hooked in, and can you see that? Yeah. And you're seeing the part where it's going to snap in. And push. That's it. The blind's up. And here's the best part. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Now my best hope is I'm not going to put the cat tree back over there. I hope the cats won't go up there. I like that. So I'll have nice light control. I'll probably not go lower than that because cats like to look out the window. In the future, since I'm a good cat mom, I will be building a little shelf under the window. I've done that at other houses and it works out great. The cats are getting a little older. A couple of them are pretty tall and they'll just stand up and bat at the blinds. Hopefully they're past that. The blinds are reasonable enough in price. I'll just get more, I guess. Ultimately, I'd like to build shutters. But for right now, just so I can have some coverage, I'm not going to put all the curtains up. I'm going to put just the shears up, see how it is. It just feels less cluttered. That was easy, wasn't it? If you never did something like putting up mini blinds before, let's say you got your first apartment or something, just follow the instructions. It's really not bad. There are other things. They have little plastic ditties that you add at the bottom to do something. I don't know what. I never used them. I think they're for... That's another video. You can also adjust if they're crooked or not. These are pretty good. I'm going to leave them alone. Again, that's another video. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. If I did, let me know in the comments. If I didn't, let me know in the comments. Tell me what you think should be done different, whatever. But please like and subscribe because that really helps my channel. And I have a lot more of these helpful tips coming up. Thanks. Bye.